Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research, if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the prediction because we don't have time, so I would like to give this right away the prediction for Thursday. Thursday it is showing all in the positive, but with the difference of 1 point, which shows it is indicating a volatile market. But if the pre-market opens in the negative on 1 point, it might go extremely bearish. If it is opens in the positive, still it is a volatile market. We need to play much more cautiously. This is the support and resistance level. Up to resistance level, because the volatile 2 is having 151 points. Anything even below that level, market will try to go down because of the extreme bearish still intact. Even 151 to it might go 146. Up to this level we may see volatile market. So it is not going to be easy to trade. You must have to keep both options in hand. That is the way it is. If the market is opens in the positive, it might go up to 151 points, but still you need to play much more cautiously. It is not going to be easy. Let's see how the market is going to give us on this particular day. We have found the support level with the help of resistance level 1. So the same points will be coming here, and the multiples of that particular level it will go and on the downside, because we don't have any kind of support level today. We have only resistance level. So that is the reason I'm telling you must have to keep. And at the same time, the bearish warning signals also came, so you must have to keep both options in hand. These are all the levels for the stop loss and thing. And we got the pending target once again in the both side, which is new pending target, which is 15,324, and the lower side pending target 15,170. So one more pending target which is pending for the next 2 days. It has opened Tuesday. Wednesday we are having the chances, whichever the pending target, it has a chance to hit on the 80% of the time. So we may hit these two targets today, but still it is tough to trade on this particular day because of the extreme bullish is also possible. You need to keep both options in hand, otherwise it is not going to be easy to trade on this specific day. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.